Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list and market talk for the 15th of January. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So for the SPY today, we had a very narrow candle, and volume today was about 68 million shares, so a little bit light for this Monday in the volume. The stock market kind of paused at a technical resistance area that we talked about on our previous videos. Let's get ready for the week ahead. You can go ahead and check that video out. Government shutdown still overhanging the market. China-U.S. Trade discussions still continue on. Brexit is hanging over the market. I believe there is a vote tomorrow for the Brexit. So overall, the Dow had a narrow range for most of the day today on a low volume Monday. But we did find some trades. I'll get into that in a moment. As far as some of the markets for today, KWEB, which is the China Internet ETF, was down over almost 3% for the day. Oil was down over 2%. As you can see here, light sweet crude oil. USO is the ETF for that. That was down about 2%. Nugget was down. SMH was down almost 2% for the day. The IBB down a little over 1.5%. To the upside, we had Nat Gas, UNG, having a good day today. The Nat Gas UNG ETF was up over 14% for the day. The marijuana ETF was up over 1.5% for the day. So that was your major up moves. The Dow Jones itself was down 86 points. The S&P 500 down 14. The Nasdaq was down 66 for the day. For the sectors for the S&P, the banking sector, the XLF had a good percentage, up about 0.5%. Other than that, everything was down a bit here today. If I flip it to the percent down, we had the XBI down over 2% for the day. XLU dropped 2% for the day. The XLV down about 1%, and so on and so forth, as you can see for yourself. But XLF was the positive spot for the markets today, and that was up almost 0.75% on the banking sector. One of the reasons the banking sector was up today, Citigroup earnings came out this morning, and they're cutting costs, and their earnings gave them a nice push up. We actually played this in the service. I'll show you that in a moment. PCG CEO stepped down and filing for bankruptcy, so PCG took a hit today. Some of the outstanding stories for the day. So that stock getting clobbered. Lulu. LU was up for the day. Lulu raised guidance, strong sales momentum. NEM buying out Gold Corp. So GG was up today. NEM buying them out, a $10 billion buyout. Yeti, YETI, was up for the day. Yeti is a recent IPO. They expect to see stronger fourth quarter sales results for Yeti. And GCI was up during the day. This one getting a buyout offer at Gannett Company, GCI. So some of those are some of the top stories from the market day today. We did trade Citigroup in the service today. We called it over 56.65. All alerts are in the room and also alerted over the microphone. We called Citigroup on a reversal play, and we called it right here over 56.65, and it just went nonstop up all day. Shorts got caught leaning the wrong way here in Citigroup. Bank America, we went after the banks today. Bank America, we called this one over 25.85 on Bank America. That stock gave us a nice move intraday today. And we also traded Roku. We got a nice trade in Roku on the $40 break over 40.05, and Roku went up almost $1 from our entry today on Roku. Another name we traded was SBOT towards the end of the session. Traded this one over $1.22, and the stock moved up to what was it about? I got out at $1.40 or so on SBOT, holding up in the after hours. So that one gave us a nice afternoon trade. So that was our day today. Very nice day for a Monday. So very happy with that. Some of the news that came out after the bell, courtesy of the trade exchange. EXEL announces U.S. FDA approval for one of their products, EXEL. So that stock moving up in the after hours. We got a public offering here on BPTH, also a proposed public offering on ALNY. So two stocks doing public offerings, diluting their shares there. SSYS was up in after hours tonight. It's one of the 3D printing stocks. Comments made on the Fast Money Show on CNBC, pushing that one higher. DDD, Triple D Systems also moving up in the after hours a bit. Other news that came out after the bell tonight, courtesy of the trade exchange, we had XLRN proposing a offering of common stock. TTMI cutting Q4 revenue. OGEN had some news. Gold Plus gains approval in Canada for, QGEN. And that's some of your news that came out after the bell tonight, courtesy of the Trade Exchange, a really good news service. Some stocks that I am going to have on watch for tomorrow. First one up is going to be AEZS, AEZS. This one basing under $4 here. We'll see if we can get any kind of continuation move. Now, the stock has come from 250, but it is basing under this $4 area, so I'll have it on watch. AMD actually held up okay today, so this one will be on watch for an intraday entry on AMD. APHA with the cannabis conference going on in Miami, Florida. This one will be on watch. Needs to get up over that 715 area on that name. APTV. This one is basing under $71 volume today, 1.6 million. So this APTV will be on watch. AXSM. Tried trading this one today, just didn't give me the follow through I wanted. So AXSM will be on watch. It is holding above the 5 EMA, the yellow dotted line you see here. The high today was 777. So we'll see if it can get over that 775. Maybe it becomes interesting. BIOC. This one kind of started the whole process of these smaller diagnostic biotech stocks moving up. So this one moved up, and that's how we got into SBOT. So both of these will be on watch. BIOC and SBOT, which we got a trade out of this afternoon, so I'll have those two on watch. Boxel was moving up. BOXL, Boxlight Corporation. Here's the daily chart on BOXL. Volume today, almost 1 million shares, trying to get up over this $2 area. We'll see if it sets up at all tomorrow on BOXL. That EXEL will be on watch with that news. It's even climbing higher in the after hours. We closed at around 23 bucks, trading at 24 and change in the after hours. So EXEL will be on watch tomorrow. Out of the FANG names, Facebook held up okay today. Looks like it needs to get up over this 148.50 area for Facebook, so that'll be on watch. FTFT had a big pop in it today. Volume was a little bit light, about 800,000 shares. I'd like to see them with at least 1 million shares, but we'll see. FTFT, nice move during the intraday trading today, so I'll have it on watch. GBR, small little oil stock, still trying to turn the corner here. Didn't do much today. I'll keep it on watch again for tomorrow. GM looks like it's trying to get up over this $38 area on General Motors. They had an upgrade and a price target increase up to $47 by a tier 1 company. So General Motors, we'll see if it can clear that $38 area. HTBX was moving up with that buy. BIOC has this $1.50 area on HTBX. That stock in the after hours did get over $1.50, climb climb to about $1.55, pulling back. We'll see if it'll set up tomorrow. Lulu, I gave you the news on that one. We'll see if there's any kind of continuation in Lululemon. The next one up will be MRIN, still holding above this $5 area, closed around $6 today. So we'll see if this one has anything left in the tank. MTNB, nice pop in this one. 5 million shares came into MTNB today. We'll see if it sets up intraday. NEO had some call activity in it today. That popped it back over $7. Then it pulled back here, as you can see on the intraday chart on NEO. So I'll have this one on watch tomorrow. NVIDIA held up well today, got above that 150 spot. We'll see if this one sets up intraday for us. PED, small little oil name. SAEX was moving up today, pulled back a little bit. So I'm just going to have PED on watch to see if this one can get going. The daily is shaping up here, 5.8 million shares. The high on this name today was $1.88, so we'll see if it sets up. RNN also had expanding volume come into this name on RNN, so might be one you want to keep on your radar tomorrow. SBOT we talked about. VHC holding up, trying to get and hold above this $4 level on VHC, kind of building under $4, so we'll see if that sets up. And then lastly, VVUS, nice candle, held most of its gains today. VVUS, the high was $4.60, volume 1.2 million shares. You can see the expanding volume that came into this name, kind of grinding up throughout the day, got up as high near that 450 area. So we'll see if this one wants to do anything VVUS for tomorrow. All right, so that's the watch list for tomorrow. So with everything overhanging the markets right now, if the bulls can keep us in this consolidation mode on the markets, I feel that maybe we can get through this if they can solve the issues in Washington. We'll see what happens with the vote tomorrow on the Brexit and also the China and U.S. trade discussions. If the bulls can keep consolidating here and not have a big downdraft day, we might be able to push higher and get through this 260 tomorrow. Hope everybody had a good day trading. Have a good day trading tomorrow. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. If you're interested in my service, it's $30 for 30 days for $30. That's $1 for each day. Have a great night. Good day trading tomorrow. Back with another video tomorrow night.